Good.
Engineer Eric Muriithi wa miaka 32 ni akinyirie mbere ya kamiti ya guthurima maminista aria mamuritwo akionekana tothio wa mbeu njithi.
You answer question very simply. It becomes very easy.
Ota miaka yake minini MUUGA ni etamburukirie na kuga ari na utonga wa muigana wa ciringi mirioni 31 uria umanite na urimi na wira wake ta engineer kwa miaka 8.
What is your net worth in terms of personal wealth?
That 1 million Kenya shillings.
What is it made of? You've done much better than your age mates.
I come from a region that is engaged in farming.
Yes.
So I've invested in lands on and planted crops, tea if you've been to the region.
Yes.
Coffee, bananas, and other.
MIRAA.
Definitely.
Yes.
Athuritwo gutongoria ministry ya MAAI utonga wake uronekana ta itatari ya MAAI iria-ini ukiringithanio na arunake aria mekinyetie mbere ya kamiti no. Andrew Karanja wa urimi ari na utonga wa thi wa muigana wa ciringi mirioni 214 na Aden Duale wa metitu akianira utonga wa iguru wa ciringi mirioni 980.
Want to know whether you'll also be intimidated.
Na kuonania uhuthu wake MUUGA oigite ndari na ngari, abunge makienda kumenya kiroto giake ni gia kugia ngari muthemba uriku.
Do you own a car?
No. I have chosen to invest instead of buying a car.
Now that the nominee has said he doesn't have a car and he has never owned one, I wanted to know what is his dream car?
Yes. If you are approved and appointed, and you get into the office, and tomorrow a major contractor in the water sector comes and offers you a car, will you take it?
No.
Tigotonga wake abunge ni mendire kumenya uria gwithema ungumania sekta-ini ya MAAI na kana ni kuguoyohio wira-ini wake.
Water, roads, and agriculture and all this, health, they are infiltrated by mega cartels, literally mafia. And you must, as a young person, resist their approaches to you and fight them out of the ministry.
I will engage in my duties, bracing and embracing integrity, honesty and accountability, to lead from the front.
Ciege waki wa ndemu igana rimwe guothe bururi-ini MUUGA oigite thutha wa budget ya ministry ya MAAI kurengwo na makiria ma ciringi bilioni 4.4 waki wacio wahota kuhotoma.
To develop large scale dams, that's where we will need the leverage of PPPs. And in this case, I will work with the Directorate of PPPs and the Exchequer, the National Treasury, to ensure that Kenyans get value for money.
Na muthia MUUGA oigite ona muhuko wake utari muihuru kioneki giake ni kuihuria matangi ma Kenya MAAI na gutigirira miberethi ndina hua MAAI.
My word to Kenyans is, I will do all I can. I will zero mostly on water that is not accounted for. Water that is abstracted but does not get to the end user. In Kenya right now, that percentage stands at about 45%.
Kameme TV gikowe uhoro gitau jita gitau wa Wanjiku.